Here's how to achieve exact wall lengths in RoomSketcher. First, open Walls mode. I'll use a wall tool and draw a room. I can see the wall lengths as I draw. At this stage, I like to get them close, but not worry too much about them being the exact length. When I press the Select tool, I can hover over any wall to see the wall length. One way to change wall lengths is to click near the center of a wall to select it, and then drag. I can see the exact lengths of each connected wall. Now notice that each side of the selected wall is slightly different in length. In this example, side A is the length of the inside wall, and side B is the length of the outside wall. But the A and B designations may change depending on which wall you are working on, so just take note of them. To type an exact wall length, click the end of a wall. You'll see these arrows. I want to type an exact length for my inside wall, which in this example is side A. So here I can see that my wall is currently just over 14 feet 5 inches. To change it, I go over here on the right, make sure I choose the correct side. So here I would choose length A, and then I type my exact measurement in inches. So if I want it to be 16 feet, I would type in 192, as 16 times 12 is 192 inches. When I press Return or click anywhere outside the Properties box, the wall adjusts, and you can now see that it is 16 feet long. Here's one more example. In some cases, changing the length of one wall will affect the length of adjacent walls. My top tip: if you're drawing a larger floor plan and you plan to adjust all the wall measurements, start with the walls in the middle and then work outward. In this example, I'll start by changing the length of this bathroom wall. I want to extend it farther to the right. So I'll click to select the wall and then click the circle on the side I want to extend. Notice these arrows. I want the inner wall, or side A, to be 7 feet, which is 84 inches. So I'll type that here. And when I press Return, the wall length changes. And I can then drag this part of the wall to match. Notice how narrow the entry now is. I'll click to select it, and then click this end. I'd like the inner wall, or side A, to be 5 feet, which is 60 inches, so I'll type that here. Now my inner entry wall is exactly 5 feet, and I can drag this wall to match. That's all there is to it. For more tips and tricks, go to RoomSketcher.com.